Yo, so nandito ako ngayon sa Court Kings Monday League and yeah, enjoy natin yung mga miss ngayon.
And guys, thank you very much. At sa lahat ng mga muses na kanina, you guys deserve to be here. Lahat kayo panalo and ang gaganda nyo lahat. But we have to get top 3 talaga, no? Medyo nahirapan kami. But anyways, we will proceed.
So, ano mangyayari ngayon?
Matatalo daw ako.
Kung ako judge, hindi kita papanalo. Si Ben nga pala, T-Bone, represent.
Hi guys.
I am Rira Mercado, 25 years old, all the way from Russell, Caime, and I'm proud to represent Team Haruga!
Hi everyone, my name is Belle. Hello. My saying is that beauty attracts the eye, but personality captures the heart. My name is Belle Alviola, 27, representing Pink Team.
Hello po, good morning. I'm okay po and I hope everyone's okay too. So good morning everyone. My name is Kyla Blasil. I am 21 years old and I'm proud to represent the Hello, good morning. I am very well. How are you?
Good. Nasira yung mic! may pampalit ka. Thank you. I'm okay. I'm fine. Thank you. Baka may gusto kang sabihin sa kanila or saying or motto.
Hello everyone, good morning. I hope you are enjoying this morning today. And I am Mariah Jewel Pencil and I am proudly representing Team Candy Blue. And my motto in life is live, laugh, and love. Because I think we should all just enjoy everything and just go with the flow, you know? Thank you. I'm Cassandra, representing Team Roland. Iwan lang kasabihan, just for fun, no bashing.
Okay, no bashing daw. Thank you so much, Miss Cassie. That's Miss Cassie.
Hi everyone, my name is Hershey Cruz. I'm 20 and representing Team Fujairah.
Alright, that's Miss Hershey. Baka may kasabihan ka or saying in live.
Ang kasabihan ko po ay, ang lalaking manloloko, hindi na yan magbabago.
Ay, sakit! Ang dami!
Top 3. And then congratulations to our second runner-up, Miss Hershey from Team Fujairah.